What's up, y'all? So this is Mark. I just got my package and it's a Weaponar 421 race header that I ordered for my 2008 Toyota Yaris Sedan. And I pretty much want to unbox it for y'all, see what's included. Apologize for the shaky camera. Doing this in one hand. So here, prior manual. Here's the header. And here's the part number if I need when I order it. Let's check this out. Hold on. Alright, so it's a little pamphlet. Weaponar decals. So pretty much a booklet. Who cares? Let's get to the good stuff. Put the camera down real quick. Alright, here it is. Stainless steel Weaponar header. Came with the bolts. Nice, shiny. I got some more parts I'm gonna do for my project and keep y'all posted. See y'all in the next video. Peace.